For today's video, I'm making ampalaya. Isang prituin muna natin tong shrimp. Ito yung pang sound. Lagyan natin black pepper. Then mix it. Okay, let's put this set aside for now. This is done. And then I have onion and tomatoes. Singkutsayin muna natin ito. Then, lagyan natin ng ground beef. This is ground beef. It's not a ground pork. So, a little bit ground beef. Yung masasyalan dyan, ground beef ito, hindi ground pork. Some people, they don't eat pork, so I put ground beef for today's recipe. And black pepper, a little bit. And then, lagay na natin yung bitter melon natin. Palambutin natin. Mix it well first. Lagyan natin ng magic syrup para lalong sumarap. Lagyan natin ng patis, konti. That's it. Pansit. And then mix it again. And then lagyan natin ng isang 1 egg. Okay? This is my healthy recipe. For today's recipe. This is my hobby, cooking too much. Maybe I need to put another egg. It's not enough. Okay, this is my second egg. Okay, mix it again. Diyan palambutin na natin yung ampalaya, bitter melon. Okay, just wait. Cover it. Let's wait. Okay. Lagyan natin ng water, ng konti. And then mix it again. My healthy recipe for today's video. Cover it again. Wait for 5 minutes. Okay guys, lagyan natin ng pork cube. Ng isang pork cube. And then lagay ko na yung shrimp. Pinirito kong shrimp kanina. Lagyan na natin lahat. There you go. Mix it. This is ready anyways. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless. Bye. Let's eat. This is ready. This is my healthy shrimp, ground beef, ampalaya.